What is your name? My name is Emma. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Where are you going? I'm going to school.
Please come in. Thank you. Have a seat.
Thank you very much.
Can I help you? Yes, please. I am looking for the notebook. What do you need?
I need some water.
Here you are.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Have a nice day.
What time is it? It's 8 o'clock. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready. Let's go. Okay, let's go. Let's go.
This food is delicious.
I'm glad you like it.
Be careful.
I will.
Do you like English?
Yes, I do. I don't understand. I don't understand. Let me explain. Please speak slowly.
No problem. This is a book.